Hey YouTubers, and welcome to the Financial Survival Center for one of the most interesting and exciting videos I get to do all year. It is the prediction video, and we will do the 2013 Beyond prediction, part 1 of 3, and you can go to the Financial Survival Center and see some of the analysis behind this. But we'll go ahead and start with where we are right now, where the stock market has basically picked up where it left off many years ago, and inflation adjusted, it's a major loss, but in terms of nominal numbers, stock market's doing pretty good. Now we're going to go to oil, and oil has picked up dramatically from its low point around below $40, was up as high as around 140, 50. Now it's in the mid-range, 93, going to continue higher. That's one of our predictions. Now we're going to take a look at gold. Gold has taken a little bit of a backseat, but it's holding up reasonably well. And if you got in as little as 3-4 years ago, you've done very, very well with it, so no harm there. Silver, on the other hand, different story as predicted in the Financial Survival Center. So silver has taken it more on the chin, and that's indicative of the fact that the central banks have been buying gold. They're not buying silver. They simply can't buy silver. And silver is also an industrial commodity, so somewhat less useful. Now we're going to shift over to some of the agricultural numbers, and here is a look at corn. Corn is almost at its record high, nearly at its record high, and going to rise, probably more. Increasing need for corn, weather patterns aren't assisting it, as well as inflation. And here is a look at what's happening with beef prices, which are at record highs, and looks likely that that will continue for some time because we simply run out of our course of cattle. So that covers where we're at. Now let's take a look at what we did with the last predictions. We did pretty well. Roughly 9 out of 11 came true, and I would say 2 of them, the price metals rise, we had to shift our stance halfway through the year, and I put out tweets on that to say short gold, short silver, sell it. I did, worked out perfectly, but at the beginning of the year I thought they would continue to rise. They did rise up fairly high and then drop, so I'm going to call that one wrong, and we did not have an all-out war with Iran, but I do think that that is going to happen at some point. So that's where we're at right now. That's part 1. Thank you for listening.